In the hush of the night, under the glow of the moon, a lone figure stirs a bubbling cauldron, the air thick with enchantment. This is not a scene from a spooky movie, but the real-life practice of witchcraft, where the artistry of creating potions and lotions is at the heart of it all. Potions, often depicted in fantastical tales as mysterious concoctions, are indeed an integral part of witchcraft. They are a blend of ingredients, each carefully selected for their magical properties. These magical brews can serve various purposes, from healing ailments to attracting love or wealth, even aiding in spiritual growth. Lotions, on the other hand, are topical applications created with a similar intent. They are applied to the skin to absorb their magical properties, often used for protection, attraction, purification, or to enhance one's psychic abilities. To create a potion, begin by choosing a purpose. What do you hope to achieve with this brew? Once you've decided, select ingredients that correspond to your intent. If you aim to attract love, for instance, consider adding rose petals, vanilla or honey, all known for their love-drawing properties. Boil water in a cauldron, pot, or any heat-resistant vessel. Add your ingredients, speaking your intention aloud as you do. Allow the brew to simmer, absorbing the energies of the elements. Once cooled, strain the potion into a bottle for storage. For lotions, the process is slightly different. Begin by choosing a base, such as coconut oil or shea butter, known for their nurturing and protective qualities. Melt your base in a double boiler, then add your chosen herbs, flowers, or oils. As with potions, these should reflect your intention. Stir the mixture until well combined. As the lotion cools, it will thicken. Pour it into a jar for storage. Apply the lotion to your skin, visualizing your intention as you do. Remember, the process of making potions and lotions is as much about the ingredients as it is about the intention behind them. Your belief and purpose fuel the magic within these concoctions, so to summarize, potions and lotions are powerful tools in witchcraft, used to manifest intentions and channel energies. Their creation is a magical process, combining selected ingredients with a clear purpose. Potions are brewed, their ingredients simmered in boiling water, while lotions are mixed into a base and applied topically. Both are stored for future use, their powers drawn upon when needed. The art of potion and lotion making is a journey into the depths of your intention, a dance with the energies of the universe, a tangible manifestation of your inner magic. Whether you're brewing a potion for love, crafting a lotion for protection, or simply exploring the rich tapestry of witchcraft, the magic lies within you. Remember, respect the process, honor your ingredients, and most importantly, believe in your magic. After all, the most potent ingredient in any potion or lotion is the witch who brews it. And with that, the veil lifts, the cauldron cools, and the moonlight fades. But the magic, that lingers, pulsing in the air, waiting for the next witch to stir her cauldron, to craft her potion, to apply her lotion, to weave her magic. In the world of witchcraft, potions and lotions are not just concoctions, they are a testament to the power of intention, a testament to the magic within us all. So, venture forth, stir your own cauldron and see what magic you can create. And as the night gives way to day, remember, the magic you seek is within you, waiting to be stirred. So go forth, brew your potions, craft your lotions, and let your magic flow.